Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this problem is called valid parentheses. Okay, so basically given a string s, then contains just a character. Only character is basically this left, right, and this is like middle bracket, and I call it large bracket, so I call it small bracket, middle bracket, large bracket. Okay. And the input string is valid if an open bracket must be closed by the same type of bracket, and the open bracket must be closed in the correct order. Okay, so I think C example is much easier. Okay, so in the first one, this is the left bracket, left small bracket. So it must the next one, the next bracket you see must be can only be closed by the bracket. Left small bracket. Okay, so this is true, and then this is also true. This is false because this small bracket is closed by the large the middle bracket. Okay, and so it looks a little bit difficult to solve this problem because somehow like you have 3 of them. Okay, but actually we can use a stack. Okay, so basically we can first create a stack and then we create a map. So this map is defined to be if the input is close small bracket, the right small bracket, then it give you the left small bracket, and also right middle bracket give you the left middle bracket, and the right large bracket give you left large bracket. Okay, so in order to solve this, then we can first create a stack. So for this, I would first get this. Okay, so if I see left, then I will just append. If I see right, if I see right, I need to check whether there is a left. So I could just pop this stack and then see whether these two are the same. Okay, if they are the same, then they just pass the test, then just keep going. Okay, so basically, if I see right, I will just pop and see whether they are matches. And if I see left, then left middle or left right, or left middle or left large or left small, then I will just append. Okay, and finally, after you do all it, finally you need to check what? You need to check is the stack is empty. Right, so it's empty, I just return true, else you should return false. Okay, so for example, for this one, if you get basically you get this, you see left, you append, and you see right, then you just pop this up, then you get this. So it's not the same. It's not the same type. Okay, so basically if the stack is non-empty, then I get the top element. So basically pop it. Basically if I is in the mapping, that means we see some right. So if I is in the right, right type, then I just pop the element, and I pop this element called top element, and then to see whether the top element is the same as the map. Basically the map tell you that which is correct type. So if basically this is the main test part. So if it's not the same, then you should return false. And another case is that suppose you see some right, but the stack is empty, then it must be false, because that means there's no left hand side part to match it. So else you should return false if the stack is. So basically this small region is a main test part. Okay, and else means that you see some left part, so you just append. And finally, you need to return whether the stack is empty or not. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.